Are you a research scholar? Then let's engage in one-to-one talk to talk about how to develop a research document, starting from framing the title to develop a research conceptual framework. We need to talk about the art and the science of developing a document, an academic document, which in a way is both scientific and artistic. One has to be logical as well as emotional in order to develop the kind of document we're talking about. Actually, you need to have a complete poetic sense of literature and ability to solve even the complex arithmetic equations. That's how we need to engage as a researcher. This is what we're going to talk about in the coming session, which is, in a sense, a very new way of looking at writing academic document. So hit the link below and register, and let's engage in the coming days. Thank you very much.